Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a Sunday, and today we're going to go to P.A.P and raid some stuff. So, I'm going to go grab some tools. Not too sure what we need because we don't know what's actually there. Allegedly. So, we're thinking there might be some goodies on a B series Falcon that's at the Mangere yard. So, I'm going to head there. I know for damn sure the boys are going to be there. So yeah, we'll go pop into the yard, see what we can get, if there's anything left. So yeah, grab my stuff, load up the car, and we are on the road. The other car that we're actually going to go look at is the VE Commodore. One of the boys, Rob, has got a VE Commodore, and this thing might actually have some lowering springs that might go into this. So I'm going to go have a look anyway and see what they've got. Yeah, might be some goodies up for grabs. Alright, so we are on the road, heading to P.A.P right now. It opens at 9 o'clock. It's currently 8:44, and I'm probably going to get there bang on opening. So I'm probably going to be the last one at the yard like usual. They don't call me late night Nate for nothing. Anyway, we're going to go there and see what's in this yard. I have been informed that there's an XR6 turbo over there. So, not that I need anything because I don't actually have an XR6 turbo, but there might be some good bits and pieces left on this car. We'll find out when we get there. So yeah, let's go. These guys got no life. Why are you not at church? Oof.
So you need a ratchet spinner?
Yeah, bro. Oh, what size? 17? Oh, yeah. Fucking look at this, man. Jesus. Fuck. The boys reckon there's a Bible in here. Fuck, what's this? Oh, shit.
And you can see the church.
Praise the Lord. Oh, snap. Just break the leg. Holy hiccup. Oh my gosh. Why are you boys not at church today? Come on, boys.
Oh shit.
It's actually a Bible, man. I can't believe it.
I know, man.
Alright, still good.
My name.
Here you go, son. What's this cowboy shit?
Cowboy.
Gonna fall apart, that one.
One for Fijo, eh?
Yeah, one for Fijo.
Cowboy. See your breakfast, boys.
Yeah.
Get a dragon tattoo.
Dragon tattoo and smiley face socks. Yeah. Mean. That's how you take a wheel off when you don't have a socket for the wheel nut.
this guy's son. He watches your videos.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, he's the TV uncle. Yeah.
Yeah.
In there.
Fucking mean.
Oh yeah.
What does this pick apart? Come on, man. Bloody hell.
It's just bending, eh?
Hey? Safe as?
Safe.
Bloody hell. How are we going to get this off the ground?
Olympics, boys. Put your feet on.
Oh, fuck, it's working. See what you make us do, pick apart? Bloody hell. Fucking safety first, man. So it's working, that's good.
It's gone up a bit, eh?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, that's all.
Take that one off. Oh, fuck.
What do you reckon?
I was gonna say, what? Fuck, grab the intake.
Grab the intake.
The intake over there under the car. Is it plastic or is it?
Oh, what about this one? There we go. The SV6 intake.
With the mana.
Oh yeah. Safe as. It's alright, boys. Jesus will save us. Where's Shantoji?
Just a little bit more.
Oh my gosh. Fuck. You ready to catch the car?
That's my side.
Copy from the other side. I'll say, what? Is there enough room under there?
You see, sorry.
That's like rocking, eh?
Yeah. Just use the other check on this one's big.
Take it back. When in doubt, get the Bible out. Fuck, the Bible might be. Oh, no, it's gonna squeeze.
Hey, watch out the feet.
Oh.
Let's go.
This is unbelievable. We're gonna chuck under there.
See, I see that.
What? Oh shit! Safety first, boys. Oh shit!
Another one here.
Oh, God, this one's alright. Yeah. Boys still working hard.
You see, I see that, eh? Open the book and it says, Sins of the Wicked. Seen times are not hidden from the Almighty. Be they that know him not see his days.
That's the pastor right there. Alright, man.
Bent down there.
Oh man.
So you can't go around.
Can't leave it around, I think.
Yeah. Inside this piece of piss.
Nice little haul with the boys. Holy Rick! What the f? V-Joel right there. Oh, he fucking went off the tyre and kept driving. Mikey, I got a monster taco for your ED, bro. Dun, 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 dun. Holy wreck on this one. Fuck, that must have hit something real hard. And
It's like auntie.
fucking radiators folded around the engine. It's cooked like auntie. Oh yeah! Look at this airbox. Is that a SS inductions? Yeah. Ford Granada with the Ford Grandad. Holy wreck. This looks like a EA Falcon from Team. Oh, we got in here. Oh wow. Little V6. Easy. Nice little haul with the boys. They went and raided the VE Commodore and managed to get some luring springs off that one. I think the front ones have got some Ultima shocks as well, so yeah, not a bad score for Rob's VE. Alright, so that's enough adventures for today. Maybe back again next week. We'll see what happens. Hopefully something pops up at the yard. If not, we'll wait until the next time something else pops up. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, chat.